August is National Catfish Month, and to celebrate, we're going to prepare Cajun catfish dip. This recipe was created by Willard Poe, 2019 Alabama Catfish Farmer of the Year. So we want to put a little bit of red pepper, aka cayenne pepper, a little Tony Chachere's on here, a little olive oil, and we're going to stick this in the oven and let it bake. Now that we've baked our fish, we're going to combine all the ingredients. A whole block of cream cheese, a little mayonnaise, sour cream, this is chopped celery, green onions, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and squeeze some lemon in here. Take your baked, cooled catfish and just squish it a little bit. So we're gonna fold this in, put some saran wrap on top, and we're going to put this in the fridge. For more information on U.S. farm-raised catfish or for more free recipes, visit us at uscatfish.com.